Best Microwave Oven 2017. Number 5. LG LCS 1112 ST Countertop Microwave Oven. Easy cooking and energy savings. With the new Easy Clean interior, this microwave saves energy by turning off the display when not in use. The display will turn off when the unit is not active for 5 minutes. One-touch settings makes it easy to cook and warm a variety of foods. No fuss defrosting, child lockout, and turntable. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Panasonic NNSU 696S Countertop Microwave Oven. Enjoy fast cooking times with 1100 watts high power. One-touch Genius sensor cooks and reheats food automatically. Cook your favorite foods with 7 pre-programmed settings. One-touch popcorn button with 3 power levels. Reheat foods quickly, easily with the Quick 30 button. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven ZR451ZS 1.3 cu foot. Convenient plus 30 seconds key for instant start. Precise Cook sensor technology takes the guesswork out of cooking. Auto defrost for quick and accurate thawing. .75-inch carousel registered trademark turntable for even cooking. Convenient one-touch popcorn and beverage settings. Please refer the user manual before use. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Samsung MG11H 2020 CT 1.1 cubic. Ceramic enamel interior that is both scratch resistant and easy to clean. 1.1 cubic feet. Capacity with 1000 watt of cooking power and 10 power levels. Auto cook options to handle any meal with the push of a button. Grilling element with ceramic plate. Preparing crispy foods including pizza. Premium stainless steel design with LED display. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Samsung MS11K 3000 as 1.1 cubic feet countertop microwave oven. Effortlessly remove grease or oil from surfaces. Protect against scratches that occur from daily use. Automatically adjusts cooking time. Three microwave distribution points to cook food evenly and thoroughly. Product weight, pound, 31.9 lb. Striking blue LED display adds clarity and style to your kitchen. Please check the description for detail and prices.